In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare month-to-month sales on eBay in this tutorial designed especially for beginners. Knowing how to effectively analyze your sales over different months can provide invaluable insights into your eBay business, helping you to better understand trends, make informed decisions, and optimize your selling strategy. So grab a notepad and let's get started. First, you need to navigate to eBay's performance section and specifically open up the sales reports. If you haven't done this before, it's quite simple. Start from your eBay seller dashboard and you'll see a tab labeled Performance on the top menu. Beneath this tab is an option for sales reports, which is exactly where you want to go. This tool is a treasure trove of data, breaking down your sales over time, and will be key for today's analysis. Once you've got your sales report in front of you, it's time to hone in on the specific months you want to compare. eBay allows you to select any 2 months within your sales history, which makes it easy to assess how your sales have changed over time. Whether you're looking to compare consecutive months or examine the difference between the same month in different years, this tool can help. Choose 2 months that you feel will give you meaningful insights. For instance, comparing the holiday shopping season against a quieter month might show how demand for your products fluctuates. With your months selected, the next step is to review the differences between them. Look at the growth or decline in sales during this period. The sales report provides a detailed breakdown of key metrics such as total sales, number of items sold, average sale price, and more. Taking the time to investigate these numbers allows you to grasp not only how your totals have shifted, but also to identify any driving factors behind these changes. Perhaps there was a promotional event or new product launch in one of the months that caused a spike in sales. Whatever the case, pinpointing these influences is crucial for your next steps. Finally, based on your observations, you'll want to adjust your selling strategy accordingly. This is where the insights you've gathered really come to use. If you noticed an uptick in sales due to a specific event or strategy, consider how you might replicate or enhance this success in the future. Conversely, if there's a noticeable dip, think about what might have caused it and explore alternative approaches. Continuous adaptation and strategy refinement are essential to staying competitive and improving your eBay business over time. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to effectively compare your eBay sales month to month, equipping you with the insights needed to make informed decisions and improve your business. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.